Dalumpang Molo. Sino po kasama niyo tonight?
Family ko po.
Family. Where's the family? Hello, ma'am.
Daughter Wildason.
Okay. Welcome po to the party. Now, sir, question po. Pageant. Okay. How was the crew on board? Kasi makinista kayo, sir, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sige, how was the crew on board?
Well, for my experience in the previous years, actually last 2 weeks ago, I was there in support of my agency that my daughter was wedding event. So I need to go home, but this company gave me a guarantee to give me a na makauwi. That time, even the situation is difficult, but the company is giving to me that time.
Yes, Synergy is very supportive, especially when it comes to family matters. That is why actually we have our family night. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.